Did you know that the average American is burdened with over $90,000 in debt right now? This staggering number is more than just a statistic. It's a reality impacting millions, affecting mental health, relationships, and overall well-being. But what if there was a way to eliminate your debt faster than traditional methods and start building a stronger financial future? In this video, we're diving deep into a powerful strategy that will help you eliminate your debt lightning fast. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to flip the script on debt and take control of your financial destiny. Debt can feel overwhelming. High interest rates, long repayment periods, and the constant pressure of never-ending payments can make it seem like you're drowning. You're not alone. Millions are struggling, feeling suffocated by the weight of their debts. It's hard to see a light at the end of the tunnel when every paycheck seems to disappear before your eyes. This is why traditional debt repayment methods often fail. They're not designed for the modern financial landscape, but there's a way to break free from this cycle, and it's simpler than you might think. The debt payoff hack I'm about to reveal is unlike anything you've tried before. It's a simple yet powerful strategy proven to eliminate debt fast, without forcing you to drastically change your lifestyle or sacrifice your sanity. Here's how it works. First, identify the debt that's costing you the most, typically the one with the highest interest rate. Prioritize paying that off first. Next, create a customized payment plan that factors in your income, expenses, and debt goals. Finally, use a special technique called the debt avalanche method to turbocharge your payments and pay off your debt in record time. But here's where it gets exciting. There's an additional twist to this strategy that most people overlook, and it can accelerate your debt payoff even more. Stick around, because I'll share this powerful tip shortly. This hack is effective because it leverages a deep understanding of how debt works and how to manipulate the system to your advantage. By focusing on the most costly debt and using a personalized payment plan, you'll pay off your debt faster and start building wealth sooner. And the best part? It's not rocket science. Anyone can do it, regardless of their financial situation. Let me tell you about Sarah, a success story that truly illustrates the power of this method. Sarah was overwhelmed with over $50,000 in credit card debt, feeling trapped with no end in sight. Determined to turn her financial life around, she implemented this debt payoff hack. In just a few months, she managed to pay off over $20,000 of her debt, and her credit score began to soar. Her transformation was nothing short of incredible, a testament to what's possible when you have the right strategy and determination. Now you might be wondering how to apply this hack to your own life and what that additional twist is that can supercharge your debt payoff. Do not go anywhere, because I'm about to unveil that crucial piece of the puzzle. Before we continue, if you're finding this information helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the Money Mentor Hub. Your support helps us provide more valuable content to help you achieve financial freedom. So, here's the powerful tip. Increase your income streams, even slightly, and funnel all extra funds directly toward your debt. This could be through a side hustle, freelancing, or selling unused items. Every extra dollar makes a significant impact when applied strategically using the debt avalanche method. By combining this approach with the debt payoff hack, you'll see your debt diminish faster than you thought possible. It's about working smarter, not harder, and taking control of your financial future. To recap, today we have discussed a transformative debt payoff hack designed to help you eliminate your debt lightning fast. We've explored the common struggles people face with debt and how this strategy can help you overcome them. And we've seen, through Sarah's story, the incredible transformation that's possible when you take action. I want to hear from you. Have you tried any debt payoff strategies in the past? What worked for you and what didn't? Share your stories and tips in the comments below. Your experiences could inspire and help others on their journey to financial freedom. Thank you for watching, and remember, taking the first step is the most crucial part of any journey. If you're ready to change your financial future, now is the time to act. Before you go, be sure to check out this video. It's packed with more tips and tricks on managing your debt and building wealth. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. See you in the next one.